Right people, we are back with another video on the Maserati, and I think I've lost my mind on this vehicle. Now, we all know the engine is toast. We all know the engine's got to come out. Everyone has messaged me to say, what are you doing with this Maserati? And the reason why it's taken this long to make a decision, because we have got some options available to us. Now, the best option is we take this motor out, and I think possibly we could put an LS motor in this Maserati. I have had a look at the dimensions in here. The gearbox it runs is the ZF BMW gearbox, and they do adapter plates in Poland and places like that, the USA, that can adapt that to an LS motor. So the question is, could we put an LS motor in this Maserati? What do you think, guys? The engine sits the right way, the gearbox, it's rear wheel drive, the prop shaft is all there for it. They do adapter plates for the ZF gearbox. Could we put an LS motor in this Maserati? I need your help, guys. Is there anyone prepared to help me with this product? Is there a tuning company? Because we're going to need an ECU, we're going to need the wiring loom, someone like Haltech, Link, Motec. Anyone interested? Bearing in mind, the only video I have found online that's put a LS motor in a Maserati was the old Maserati 3200 GT from 1995, which had an LS motor in it in Australia, New Zealand, which was a drift car. Nobody I know in the world that has put an LS motor in a Maserati Ghibli. So, I think it would fit. I think I'm absolutely crazy, because everyone in the chat has said to me, throw it together, throw it back down car park, take the hit. Other people have said, pull the motor out, do the bottom end, and then you've got a lovely car to drive around. But something inside me is going, this motor needs an LS. The sound of the LS, it would be monstrous. And the only one in the world, Maserati Ghibli with an LS motor running the ZF gearbox, it can be done. But I'm going to need some help, guys. So it's over to you. Do you know anyone who would be interested in taking on this project with us? Do you know any tuning companies that would be interested in taking on this project with us? Drift companies. We can get the sign written down the side. We can get it to all the shows. This would be a monster car for an LS motor swap. Guys, what do you think? Am I losing my brain?